Is your business in Saudi Arabia facing a challenge with your HVAC system? ASKA Solutions is your trusted partner for total climate control. From unexpected breakdowns to urgent repairs, our 24/7 on-site support is ready to respond. We ensure your operations never experience a pause. We do not merely react, we are proactive. Our advanced HVAC system diagnostics pinpoint issues with precision, while our remote monitoring keeps a vigilant eye on your systems in real time. Seeking to optimize? Our performance tuning services significantly boost energy efficiency, delivering substantial savings and reducing your environmental footprint. Furthermore, with our proactive filter maintenance and routine cleaning, we guarantee that your air quality and system health are consistently at their peak. We even turn waste heat into valuable energy with our heat recovery expertise, providing sustainable and innovative solutions for Saudi industries. From on-site field services to corrective maintenance, our coverage is comprehensive. For reliable, expert HVAC services of the highest caliber in Saudi Arabia, choose ASKA Solutions. ASKA Solutions, excellence in every service.